Bruiser is a name that she chose, and she never did get to skate with us. She was going to be on the Angels team, and she was struggling with health issues, and she passed away. We don't know exactly the circumstances, but we have decided to dedicate this out tonight to Shannon Olson, Punky Bruiser. It's heartbreaking because I didn't know her as well as I wish I did, but she was so young and tragic to lose her. So I'll take just a moment. Thank you guys for coming. I know there's lots of other stuff going on today, and you could be someplace else, but I'm telling you this is the best show. It's gonna be awesome. So I want to thank the Los Angeles County Veterans Council for hosting us here, and we're like the redheaded stepchild. We're getting kicked out of everywhere. Finding another place to be, and that's the Los Angeles County Veterans Council has allowed us to use Fort Whitman, so that's awesome. And so what we're going to see today, we're going to see some real roller derby action. The game is played in two halves. In the middle, we're going to have little contest games. If you didn't buy your little brick tokens to throw at these targets, we have these over by the door. That's going to be at halftime. And I want to thank everybody who's here to help us. Our commentator, Jeremy, this is his, I don't know what, fourth time? He's awesome. Thank you, Jeremy. Trinidad Times TV 71, Tom Murphy is here. He's filmed every single one of our bouts for free. So you should tell your friends to go look for our videos on Trinidad Times TV 71. So they can see what they missed. Yeah, and then he's got lots of good content on there as well for the town. Chaotic Neutral, my brother up there is live streaming us to Instagram. Got Chris refereeing he's our head ref. We've also got Jeremy refereeing. Thank you guys. Craig Ward is doing security. Drake is doing our clock. Zach has got food over there. You guys should go get some because it smells terrific. I got a bite. Tiffany is over here on our merch table. We do have swag. Grab some of that. And do you want tickets over here? We have David Sampson from Mount Carmel Veterans Service Center. He showed up to help us out here. And I'd like to give him a moment to explain what Mount Carmel Veterans Service Center is and what they do and where to find their services. David.
Rosie for inviting me out to help. I'm a big long title that I can't remember, but I'm a Veterans Resource and Community Development Coordinator. So basically, I take all the resources that we have here in Los Angeles County, which includes Los Angeles County Veterans Commission, the American Legion Post 11, and the Fort, and myself. We have a county service officer, all of us to make sure veterans get the resources that they need. And I'm in the Champions Program. I have a small food pantry for veterans that are in need. We have emergency housing support for veterans. So if you guys know any vets that need help, I have cards over here at the front. And hope you guys have a good time. Thanks for having me on here.
Thank you, David. she's an amazing skater, so, okay. We will train anybody how to skate. We let you play at your level. We try and help you get gear and skates and lens stuff so that you can learn how to do this. I swear, if even you think you can't, you probably can roller skate and play roller derby. And we never charge dues, so that's why we do fundraisers, because all of our people get to participate for free, and we try to pass it on. For example, a portion of the ticket sales tonight is going to Mount Carmel, the Veterans Service Center. We want to support our community. That's what we're all about. And I almost forgot, I wanted to. One of our players, Bo Peep, I love that she said this. She said it a few times. Like, this is a hard thing to do. Roller derby is hard. Not easy to roller skate and hit the floor and get back up. And she said, my life has been hard. My whole life has been hard. But this is something hard that I chose to do. And there's something really different about that. You choose to encounter something difficult, it gives you power. It takes power away from all the stuff that's coming at you. You choose to encounter it, then you've got the power. So,
Yeah.
love you all. So now I need to get my flight attendants on the track, show you how to play roller derby. This is kind of an obscure sport, not everybody knows how to do, how this works. It's pretty simple. Keep an eye on the stars. The stars. They coached me through this a few minutes ago. Let's see if I can get it right. Okay, so how this works. One girl or guy from each team is wearing superhero panties on their head with stars on the side. These ladies or gentlemen are called the jammers, and they get to score points for their team. The other two players from each team are called blockers. It's their job to block the other team's jammer by using their bodies, but not their hands. And to assist their own jammer, for this they can use their hands. When the whistle blows, the blockers have to skate together in what's called the pack. Every time a jammer breaks through the pack, he scores 1 point for his team. Then he has to lap the pack and try to break through again. All the players have to keep moving down the track in order to block. Blockers have to be in the pack to block. And jammers are allowed to block anywhere on the track. If a player commits a foul, she has to yield her position or her team could lose a point. Play continues for 1 minute, then 4 whistles ends the jam, and we line up and do it again. All right? Thank you. Thank you for that. See where am I? We're just about ready to play. So it's time for our national anthem. Before we play, Sophia Riley is here to sing the national anthem for us. She's a team member at Chrysler Ford Jeep Ram, did I get that right? And I'm trying to recruit her, so before you leave, tell her that she needs to be on skates next time. All right. Hello, everybody. Oh, say, can you see by the
Holy cow, give it up for Sophia one more time. Amazing. All right, y'all, we got two amazing teams, the Purgatory Angels and the Purple Rain. We're gonna kick it off introducing the Purgatory Angels. Kicking it off. She's not back in fighting shape quite yet, but she's still here to run the show. The captain of the Angels on her way back to track as soon as possible. Give it up for number 4, Dispatch Her. And she's crash happy, and yeah, it looks like she can skate, but you know what they say, those who can't do teach. Well, she's the coach, look out front row, it's number 16, Wreck-It Rosie. Did she tell you she had a concussion 2 weeks ago? Don't worry, she's fine. That behavior is completely normal. And no, she doesn't come with a muzzle. We love her no matter what she says. It's number 711, Bo Peep. The music is strong with this one. She knows Kung Fu, aka Twinkle Toes, our skate dancer in training and most improved Padawan. Number 3, make 53, make some noise for Trash Panda. The Angel's secret weapon. She's so tiny we started slipping her under doors to spy on the Purple Rain. There's a mouse in the house, number 11. It's Space Mouse. Finally, for the Purgatory Angels, call the Bomb Squad. She's the Angels' own Kansas City Bomber, and she's gunning for her former teammates. She's her own battle cry, number 445. It's Cry Havoc. Make some noise! Noise for the Purgatory Angels. And now for the team in purple, it's the Purple Rains. You gotta look out for the quiet ones. This lady's got skills, whether it's how to get the best deal on skates or the best technique for crossing razor wire. We know who to call. Crazy number 88, it's Suicide Slushy. The Karate Kid is trying out a new sport, and high school bullies beware. If you thought that her shoe was bad, wait till she beats you with her roller skate. Make some noise for number 42. It's Crazy Squirrel. And now he's actually keeping his feet under him instead of under everybody else, but he's still coming apart at the seams. Make some noise for number 319. It's Brain Sanity. Sports are taking care of business, and it is Cuddly, our own agent of chaos. It's number 13, Chaotic Care Bear. She jumped ship and got hauled in by the O team. Her blocking style is like getting caught in a typhoon. Back to do battle for the Purple Rain. Please give it up for number 211, Keel Holler. If you tell her to go all out on her outfit, you better shield your eyes. There will be Sequins, our resident rhythm skater and captain of the reigning champions. Please give it up for number 0, Cherry Chapstick. Yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for some roller derby? Right on, we're gonna get this started in just a second with our first jam of the night. Real quick, I would like to thank our sponsors one more time. Los Animas Grill, Furious Sports and Games, J&M Tire and Auto Repair, Trinidad Times TV 71, and please give it up for our volunteer EMTs that are hanging out back there just in case. Please thank them. Starting off this first jam, we're gonna have 2 halves, each with 10 jams in it. For the Purgatory Angels, doing the scoring is gonna be Space Mouse with blocking from Wreck-It Rosie and Thrash Panda. And for Purple Rains, we're kicking it off with Chaotic Care Bear scoring and Frayed Sanity and Suicide Slushy. And here we go, kicking it off. And the first jam, we are all locked up. And it looks like Space Mouse is gonna get the first point. Space Mouse coming back around. Chaotic Care Bear having a tough time getting out past the blockers. Suicide Slushy getting the whole as Chaotic Care Bear gets a point for the Purple Rain. We're tied, but Space Mouse is right there trying to score another point, looking for a lane. Got one more to beat. She got pushed out of bounds. We calling that a point? Not yet. Still 1-1. Riding down in the first jam. There we go. Space Mouse gonna get the second one. 2-1. Purgatory Angels taking an early lead. Chaotic Care Bear gets knocked out of bounds, and that's the end of the first jam. Purgatory Angels lead 2-1. Make some noise for Space Mouse. And just giving these ladies and gents a second to get a breather. In this second jam, we have Bo Peep for the Purgatory Angels scoring the points, and Crazy Squirrel for Purple Rain. As Cry Havoc and Thrash Panda doing the blocking for the Angels. And for the Purple Rain, we got Cherry Chapstick and Keel Holler. Little friendly trash talk happening, and we are off. There we go, some big hits already, but it looks like Bo Peep getting that point. And we got a point with Crazy Squirrel. 3-2 now, still a 1-point game as Bo Peep is back in the pack, using her teammate as a blocking rail. She cuts up the middle, got Cherry Chapstick to beat. Keel Holler doing some pushes. Bo Peep not out of the pack yet. Crazy Squirrel looking on the outside. She's going to get that point and tie it up. And Bo Peep did not get past the pack before going out of bounds, so she has to return. Uh-oh! Crazy Squirrel coming from the back and getting a hit. Refs, was that a point there at the end? Nope. All right, so it was 2-1 in that one. Purple Rain gonna tie it up, so total for the match is 3-3 right now. 3-3. Ref saying that was not a point. Crazy Squirrel got 2 there. Bo Peep get 1. As we move on to this third jam, the new to the Purgatory Angels, Cry Havoc's going to be scoring the points for them. And for Purple Rain, we have Keel Holler, Cherry Chapstick, Freight Santa doing blocking for Purple. And for the Angels, we have Wreck-It Rosie and Space Mouse. And we are off 60 more seconds. Oh, tumbling, falling, tiptoes around. Not quite able to get past the pack is Keel Holler as she stays in bounds, and that's going to be the first one for the Purple Rain. Cry Havoc scores a lot of points, but she's having a tough time getting through the middle. And she does there. It's 1-1 in this jam, still tied 4-4 for the total. Keel Holler already back in the pack. Shoving Wreck-It Rosie. Can she stay in bounds? She does. That's a point. Cry Havoc staying on the outside. Throws down Frayed Insanity, and she scoots by. We got 2-2 in this jam. 2 very skilled jammers here. Big hit by Keel Holler as she shoves her way through the middle. Cry Havoc trying to keep the score tied. Cherry Chapstick blocks her a second, can't quite do it. That's going to be a point. Some teammates falling over each other. Everyone feeling all right? All right. That's the end of the third jam. We had 3 points by each team, so it's 6-6. We are still tied. We're getting some hits. People are going to start getting angry. We're going to have some bigger hits. And in this fourth jam, we have Fresh Panda scoring the points for the Purgatory Angels, with Wreck-It Rosie doing the blocking and Bo Peep. And for the Purple Rain, Suicide Slushy scoring the points, with Chaotic Care Bear and Frayed Sanity doing some blocking. And the fourth jam kicks off. Suicide Slushy almost through, but Wreck-It Rosie's blocking. Trying to force out of bounds, isn't able to force her out of bounds. Crash Panda can't get through either. Crash Panda takes the inside, and she's got it. Gonna take the lead for the Angels. Can Suicide Slushy tie it up? She goes to the outside and gets it. We're back at 7-7. As both jammers are coming back around to the pack. Suicide Slushy getting some help from a teammate trying to roll up the middle. That's not going to happen. Big old traffic jam right there. Suicide Slushy getting past. Taking the lead for Purple Rain. And Crash Panda gets it right back. Scoring a point, knocking some folks down. Suicide Slushy coming in. Looking to get a last second point here. Can she do it? Oh, Wreck-It Rosie with a great block. Great Sanity trying to make some move for his teammate. And no point there. So we got 2-2 in that. Crash Panda and Suicide Slushy both scoring 2. So we are remaining tied. It is now 8-8. And we are to our 5th jam of this first half, still tied. Space Mouse back scoring the points for the Purgatory Angels, with Cry Havoc and Crash Panda doing the blocking. And Cherry Chapstick for the first time out there scoring, with Keel Holler and Crazy Squirrel doing the blocking. Cry Havoc and Cherry Chapstick blocking hard. Chapstick going to the outside, not quite doing it, but look at that, it's Space Mouse tiptoeing around to the outside. Chapstick had it re-enter after getting out of bounds. Cry Havoc still doing some great blocking, and Chapstick's got a chance. Oh! Thrown down in the corner. As Chapstick finds the inside lane, but gets pushed out of bounds. Space Mouse still has the only point in this fifth jam. Chapstick and Cry Havoc going at it hard. This time, Chapstick stays in. No point. No point. Ref saying no point. Right. We'll go to the video review. And ref is saying no point. That's Space Mouse getting the only point, so Purgatory Angels now lead 9-8. And we are halfway through this first half. Now Wreck-It Rosie going to be scoring for the Angels. Great Sanity out there for the Purple Rain. Cry Havoc, Space Mouse doing the jam or blocking for the Angels with Suicide Slushy and Chapstick. And here we go, this sixth. And Great Sanity tying it up. But Wreck-It Rosie's going to get that point right back. We are at 10-9. Great Sanity cruising back. Uses his teammate, using his length and size to get it to the outside. But Space Mouse is able to push him to the outside, and Wreck-It Rosie scores. But Great Sanity going to get that point right back. 2-2 in this sixth jam. It is now 11-10 with the Angels leading. Great Sanity's got about a foot on, and they're both able to get through 3-3 in this jam. A couple seconds left. Can we get one last point? Great Sanity taking the inside, knock it down. All right, we got a point for the Angels and a point for the Purple Rain. So 4 points each in that round. That means it's still a 1-point game. Yeah, that was a good one, y'all. Give it up for him. It is now 13-12. Purgatory Angels lead 13-12. As we get into this seventh jam of the first half, coming to score for the Angels, it's Thrash Panda with Bo Peep and Space Mouse blocking, and Crazy Squirrel scoring the points for the Purple Rain with Chaotic, Terry Bear, and Keel Hauler doing the blocking.
Ready? Start!
60 more seconds on the clock. Thrash Panda trying to take the inside. Keel Hauler goes right, but Crazy Squirrel gonna get that point. Another big block over there by Keel Hauler. Crazy Squirrel tied it up. Can she take the lead for the Rain now as she returns to the back, going to the inside, passes it, falls down, and she gets it! Crazy Squirrel went from taking the Purple Rain to being down a point to now leading by a point. Thrash Panda having a hard time. She takes the inside, and she's down. We're back to being tied up. 14-14. Crazy Squirrel is already back to the pack, though. It's got one to beat. And she gets knocked out of bounds, but Bo Peep. Crazy Squirrel was out of bounds. That's not a point. And that is it for the seventh jam. We had 2 for the Purple Rain and only 1 for the Angels. So that means we are back tied 14-14. Just 3 more jams to go until halftime. Halftime, we're going to have the Flick a Brick contest and a little special surprise for y'all. So get ready, get out your singles if you're trying to flick a break. In this HM, Cry Havoc scoring the points for the Angels with Suicide Slushy doing it for Purple Rain. Bo Peep and Wreck-It Rosie out there blocking for Purgatory. And for Purple, we got Crazy Squirrel and Frayed Sanity. And we are up. Cry Havoc held without a bunch of points last time, but Suicide Slushy gets one. And Cry Havoc gets it right back. Frayed Sanity getting the blocking. Cry Havoc trying to take the inside, gets knocked out of bounds though. She finds the inside and she scores! Making it 16-15. Suicide Slushy being blocked by Wreck-It Rosie. And Bo Peep. Cry Havoc's got a chance to score. Oh! And Suicide Slushy ties it back up, but Cry Havoc's going to the outside. And she gets past Frayed Sanity to score. We are now 17-16. Suicide Slushy was out of bounds. No points there, right? Alright, there we go. Cry Havoc gonna take the lead for the Purgatory Angels, 17 to the Purple Rain 16. We only have 2 more jams in this first half. Back out there to score for the Purgatory Angels, it's gonna be Space Mouse, Thrash Panda doing the blocking with Cry Havoc. And for Purple Rain, it's Cherry Chapstick out again, scoring some points with Chaotic Caravan and Suicide Slushy. Looks like Keel Holler is going to come out there and do some blocking for the Purple Rain as they try to tie this and maybe take the lead again. 60 more seconds on the clock. Big old hit right there, right off the bat. But Space Mouse is back up again quick. Both jammers get knocked out of bounds. Cherry Chapstick taking the outside, gets pushed down again by Cry Havoc. They've been having a good battle all day. Chapstick weaves the inside. Gets knocked out of bounds again by Thrash Panda and Cry Havoc. A defensive battle gets broken there as Cherry Chapstick ties it up. Space Mouse not able to slip through. Oh, she squeaks through. Found a little bit of room and found the hole to score that point. Chapstick coming back around. One more in this jam, that means Purgatory Angels still lead. Big hit by Keel Holler. And that's going to be the end of that one. 1 point each. Space Mouse, you okay? All right, 1 point each. That means it's 18-17. We got some big hits happening. We still have a whole another half to go. But one more jam left in this first half. It's 18-17. Angels lead by 1. Scoring the points for the Angels this time, it's Wreck-It Rosie with Cry Havoc and Bo Peep. And for the Purple Rain, it's Frayed Sanity scoring. Keel Holler. Oh, looks like we have Cherry Chapstick and Chaotic Caravan doing the blocking. As Frayed Sanity to score that first point, and we are tied again. Rosie got a hole on the outside. She takes it. 19-18. Sanity looks like he's got room, but Cry Havoc and Bo Peep push him out of bounds. Rosie taking the inside to Sanity. That means they both have 2-2 here, 20-19 as both of them race back to the pack. Only a couple more seconds left in this first half. Sanity looks to have the hole on the outside, not able to get it. Pushes his way through. Cry Havoc standing up 8 inches shorter, but she shoved him right in the chest. And she makes a hole for Rosie. And Frayed Sanity able to push away. Cry Havoc 3-3 in this jam. That means it's 21-20. And that's it. it for the first half, y'all. It is 21 for the Purgatory Angels to 20 for the Purple Rain. Please make some noise for these lovely ladies and gents. Y'all are an awesome crowd. That's all. Thank you. Alrighty, y'all. We're just a few moments out from starting off this second half. Please get this energy up and let's make some noise for the Purgatory Angels. And let's keep that noise going for the Purple Rain. Alright, kicking it off, scoring points for the Purgatory Angels in this second half. We have the Space Mouse, and for Purple Rain, it's Chaotic Care Bear. Blocking for the Angels, it's Wreck-It Rosie and Thrash Panda. And for the Rain, it's Frayed Sanity and Suicide Slushy. Throwing base. And we are off in the second half. Angels lead 21 to 20. Chaotic Care Bear looking to go on the outside, not find a room. As Space Mouse gets knocked down. And there we go. Chaotic Care Bear's gonna tie up this match. Space Mouse has a big old blocker right in front of her. She's been able to find little nooks and crannies here and there. She goes to the inside, goes to the outside. Not able to score those points. Good blocking by Suicide Slushy. Going up the middle, Space Mouse still can't get through to the outside. And there, Chaotic Care Bear gonna get the point. And there we go, 21 to 22 now as the Purple Rain take the point. Mouse had an opportunity, not able to do it as she gets knocked down. And just like that, we have a lead change. It's now 22 to 21 as the Purple Rain lead after Chaotic Care Bear scores 2 points. 2 big old points in that first jam. 2 matches ago, we had to go to overtime. We're looking to shape up in this one. We might have some extra derby tonight. In this second jam, Bo Peep's going to be doing the scoring for the Purgatory Angels, with Crazy Squirrel scoring the points for the Purple Rain. Cry Havoc, Thrash Panda blocking for the Angels. And for Purple Rain, we have Cherry Chapstick and Keel Holler. And we are off again in this second jam. And we are going to get a point there by Crazy Squirrel, extending the lead. But Bo Peep gets that point right back. We are now 23 to 22 as Crazy Squirrel coming back around. Goes quick. Oh! Cry Havoc lights her up. And Squirrel gets right back up and pushed out of bounds again. She is determined to score these points. Can't quite do it. As Bo Peep gonna score. And we are tied 23 to 23. Keel Holler tries to create a hole for Crazy Squirrel, not able to get through. Bo Peep coming back around. Can she score a last second point and take the lead back for the Angels? No, she can't. We are back to being tied up 23 to 23. Tie game as we go into this third jam of the second half. And we are tied 23 to 23. Doing the scoring for the Purgatory Angels in this third jam, it's Wreck-It Rosie. Scoring for the Purple Rain, it's Keel Holler. Blocking for the Angels, we have Cry Havoc and Space Mouse. With Cherry Chapstick and Frayed Sanity out there for the Purple Rain. And here we go in this third jam, all tied up. And we're off. Big old log jam right there to start. Keel Holler able to score the first point, 24 to 23. As Purple Rain takes the lead, stumbles a little bit as she's trying to come around. And Wreck-It Rosie splits the defense and is able to get that point, tying it back up at 24-24. Keel Holler gets back to the pack. Rosie returns. Keel Holler able to slip, but not able to score. She takes the inside. Both jammers run into each other. Wreck-It Rosie scores. And we have a 25-24 lead for the Angels. Keel Holler looking to get through. It's got Cry Havoc to beat. Stays on the inside. Not able to stay in. Quickly, Wreck-It Rosie scores to extend that lead. Rosie has 3 to just Keel Holler's 1 in this match. Keel Holler struggling to get this point. And she does. 3-2 in this one. It's 26-25. And we'll end that third jam. 26-25. Holy cow, that was a good one. And going into the 4th jam, Thrash Panda's going to be doing the scoring for the Angels, with Bo Peep and Cry Havoc doing some blocking. And for the Purple Rain, we have the return of Suicide Sashi with Chaotic Care Bear and Freight Sanity out there.
Ready? Start.
60 more seconds of Great Brick City Roller Derby madness as both jammers taking their time trying to take the inside. Slushy's got 1 to beat. Can she get past Cry Havoc? Cry Havoc's been playing great defense all day. Slushy using the break, using her blocker. Can't Freight Sanity get Cry Havoc out of the way. He can. That's a point, and we are back to the tie up. Woo! Cry Havoc and Freight Sanity going at it. Thrash Panda trying to get back into this group and score. Suicide Slushy takes the inside, gets past one blocker. Can she get past Cry Havoc? Freight Sanity and Cry Havoc going at it again. Slushy takes the inside, that's a goal. 27-26, and that's the end of the 4th jam. Generally, when we watch sporting events, we do want to hit the refs, and the ground just did what we wanted to do. Y'all good? All right. Now imagine trying to skate with a bunch of people trying to hit you. Well, we are going back and forth in this matchup. We are now at 27-26 with Purple Rain having the lead. Scoring points for the Purgatory Angels this time. It's Space Mouse with Wreck-It Rosie and Thrash Panda doing the blocking. For the Purple Rain, back to Cherry Chapstick scoring with Keel Holler and Crazy Squirrel blocking for her. Cherry Chapstick and Wreck-It Rosie going face to face. Chapstick gets by, but gets knocked out of bounds, not able to score that point. Loses the glasses and she scored. No score, okay. Russ says no score. We will have a discussion after that one, after this jam to see. Space Mouse being quite in the back. Chapstick and Rosie going at it. Chapstick definitely has that point. As it's 28-26 now. A 2-point lead, and Space Mouse able to sneak by.
Might be 28-27.
Just a few more seconds as Chapstick gets knocked down, and that's going to be the end of that one. All right, so we're not counting that first point. Hey, refs, so that first point didn't count? No? Okay. It's 27 to 27 then. We are tied up 27 to 27. Oh, yep. 28 to 27, that's right. Because I wrote 1 and a question mark, and yeah. 28 to 27. All right. We only have 5 more champs left in this battle. It's 27 for the Angels, 28 for the Purple Rain. Cry Havoc scoring the points here for the Angels with Wreck-It Rosie and Space Mouse doing the blocking. And for the Purple Rain, Freight Sanity back in the behind with Suicide Slushy and Cherry Chapstick doing the blocking. Looks like it's going to be... It looks like Keel Holler and Chaotic Care Bear are going to be doing the blocking this time for the Purple Rain. A little quick on the fly sub. Purgatory Angels taking a quick timeout. Going over some strategy. Had some big hits tonight and some bumps and bruises. All right. As Wreck-It Rosie and now Thrash Panda are out there doing the blocking. It's still the same scores. Cry Havoc and Freight Sanity scoring here. Freight Sanity got 1 to beat, and he'll get by Rosie. Score a point back to a 2-point lead, and Cry Havoc gets that right back. 28 to 29 now. Sanity fakes to the inside, goes to the outside. Tiptoes. And we got a point each again. 30 to 29 here. As both jammers return to the pack. Cry Havoc slips by a couple, takes the inside. Great Sanity finds the line on the outside as Havoc also scores. We already got 3 points in this 6th jam each. As they coming back with the 6th jam winding down. Great Sanity, big old hit, takes it inside. And both are going to score again, 4 each. Woo. Give it up for Great Sanity and Cry Havoc in that one. Let's get it around a whole bunch. Each scored 4 points. That means it's 32 to 31 with Purple Rain taking the lead. 4 more jams to go, just a 1-point game. Will the Angels be able to get this point back? Thrash Panda going to be doing the scoring this time for the Angels with Go Keep and Space Mouse scoring or doing blocking. And for the scoring for the Purple Rain, it's Crazy Squirrel. And it looks like we have Keel Holler and Cherry Chapstick out there doing the blocking this time. All right, so strategy being broken down. Here we go. 7 jam, 1-point game. Crazy Squirrel gets knocked out of bounds, and so does Thrash Panda. Defense is strong in this one. Crazy Squirrel once and the Cherry Chapstick was able to get the point. Extending the lead to 2 for Purple Rain. Thrash Panda having a tough time, tries to take the middle. Rosie with the blocking, Keel Holler playing some strong defense as Crazy Squirrel gets knocked out of bounds, not able to score the point. She just missed it, but she goes to the outside. And Bo Peep knocks her down. If anyone knows where we can get a bunch of ice for after this, we will appreciate that. And Crazy Squirrel gets knocked out again. She gets the only point in that jam. That means Purple Rain now has a 2-point lead. It is 33 to 31. 33-31, just 3 battles to go. But we have some of the big old stars coming out for this one. Scoring the points for the Purgatory Angels, it's Wreck-It Rosie with Bo Peep and Cry Havoc doing the blocking. And returning to jamming for the Purple Rain, it's Suicide Slushy. Frayed Sanity and Chaotic Care Bear are going to be doing the blocking this time for the Rain. And we are off. Rosie able to get back up and score that point, bringing the Angels to within 1. And Rosie's already back to the pack with some speed. Big old hit. And can Slushy get past on the inside? No, but Rosie's going to tie it up. And we're up 33-33. Suicide Slushy gets that point back. We are now 34-33. Purple Rain back taking the lead. 34-33. Rosie trying to get this tied up again. Blocked by Care Bear. Rosie trying to take the inside. Gets past 1, but cannot get past Sanity. And that'll wrap that one back up. So we're at 34-33 with the Purple Rain leading with just 2 more jams to go. In this 9th jam of the second half, Space Mouse is going to be out there scoring for the Purgatory Angels. Cherry Chapstick out there for the Purple Rain with Frayed Sanity and Suicide Slushy doing the blocking. And the Angels getting their blockers out there. Looks like it's going to be Wreck-It Rosie and Thrash Panda. 34-33. Only 120 seconds left of battles to go. Thrash Panda throwing the mouthpiece in. Good idea. Cherry Chapstick on her brakes. Not able to get through. Tiptoeing. Oh, fakes the inside, goes the outside, back the inside, which way? There she goes! Cherry Chapstick stays it down. Giving the Purple Rain another 2-point lead, 35-33. Space Mouse unable to find a hole, but Cherry Chapstick gets knocked out of bounds. And Space Mouse, almost has the outside, gets knocked out of bounds by Suicide Slushy. Rosie and Chapstick going at it. What a battle. Rosie boxing out, knocks her out of bounds. Chapstick entering back. Space Mouse has scored a bunch of points so far today, not able to score here. As Chapstick gets another one right before the buzzer. Cherry Chapstick might have just put that one away. And Space Mouse unable to score there. We are now 36-33. We have 1 battle left. I'm going to give these ladies and gents a second to catch their breath. We are to the 10th and final jam of this second half. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise. Cry Havoc has probably scored the most points when I have been calling these matches. So this one is not over yet. She's scoring for the Purgatory Angels. Frayed Sanity out there for the Purple Rain. Wreck-It Rosie and Bo Peep blocking. And Keel Holler and Cherry Chapstick. This is the last one. Havoc needs to score at least 3 more points than Frayed Sanity to force this in overtime. Hold on. And Frayed Sanity got the other point, but Cry Havoc gets it right back. Great Sanity using his height to get through, and he will score, as will Cry Havoc. But Havoc's going to have to start getting back out there. She still needs to get 3 more than Great Sanity. And she knocks it down. She doesn't need a blocker. She'll do it herself. Great Sanity and Cry Havoc getting another one there. And Great Sanity to the tie. Yes, again. It's still 3-3 in this final match. Just a couple seconds left as Cry Havoc gets knocked down. And that's it! Ladies and gentlemen, please give it up for our victors tonight. It's the Purple Rain! What a battle we had tonight. Please give it up for 88 Suicide Slushy, number 42 Crazy Squirrel, 319 Great Sanity, number 13 Chaotic Care Bear, 211 Keel Hauler, and of course our captain and coach of the Purple Rain, Jerry Chapstick! We're going to give them a chance to do a victory lap without anyone hitting them. That was a ferocious battle today. Looks like these folks have been learning some defense. That was great. I can't wait for this next match. Cheer them on while they take that victory lap. Holy cow. And while the Purple Rain did win, Purgatory Angels put up quite a fight. Please give it up for them. There was a lot of bumps and bruises, but Wreck-It Rosie, Bo Peep, Crash Panda, Space Mouse, and Cry Havoc, and of course, Dispatcher doing the coaching over there from the bench. They put on a great fight.